Assemblies can be done as and when needed, but we can also set products up to be auto-assembled. This is particularly helpful as it's a quick way to assemble products with a set range of components. For example, if you sell gift baskets. To set this up, go to your product's bill of materials and click Can Auto-Assemble. Now, when you receive a sales order, process as normal, and if you're adding in a product that is auto-assembled, you will see the orange icon beside the quantity here. This is to link you to the assembly that is being created automatically in the background. If you click on that symbol, it will take you directly to the assembly, and you'll find the sales order number displayed in the comment section here. Please note that you're not able to edit anything on this assembly or add supplier costs. And please also note that you cannot delete this assembly from here, but you are able to remove the product from the sales order. You can then either complete the assembly using the Auto drop-down menu and selecting Assemble, or alternatively, once you complete the sales order, the assembly will be automatically completed for the relevant quantities, and all your stock levels will be updated accordingly. This is confirmed by a green tick in the quantity column.